Dear students, after the completion of the parasites, now the next unit 6, it is about the insect pest and the topic is insects of economic importance. So insects of economic importance, in this I am going to cover distribution, biology, life cycle, damage, prevention and control of the following insects, namely Helicoverpa armiger, Pyrella purpusilla, Papiliodemoleus, Calosobranchus chinensis, Cytophilus oryzae and Tribolium castaneum. So many insects are serious pests of plants and they harm the plants by damaging their parts and spreading the plant diseases. So you can see the diagrams of these moths and butterflies such as Papiliodemoleus, Helicoverpa armigera, Pyrella purpusilla, Calosobranchus chinensis, Cytophilus oryzae and Tribolium castaneum. So these are the insects which are the pest of the crops. So these belong to the phylum Arthropoda and general characters of phylum Arthropoda are jointed appendages, compound eyes, hard skeleton, trachea for respiration, coxal glands and Malpighian tubules for excretion and power of flight, etc. And they belong to the class Insecta, in which the body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. Different types of mouth parts are present in different insects and it includes the 750,000 species, about 75% of the total species. So I would like to cover these insects in different orders as these insects belonging to the order Lepidoptera, Hemiptera and Coleoptera. So generally this table is showing the different characters of these order. So order Lepidoptera having the wings with scales. In Hemiptera, forewings are thick and hindwings are folded, and in Coleoptera, forewings are thin, veinless and hindwings are thick and folded. If we see the mouth parts, in Lepidoptera, it is of siphoning type. In Hemiptera, it is of pursing and sucking type. In Coleoptera, it is of chewing type. Then metamorphosis, it is complete in both Lepidoptera and Coleoptera and it is gradual in the Hemiptera order. Then other features, in Lepidoptera, proboscis is coiled under the head. In Hemiptera, base of beak is forward and in Coleoptera, it having the large prothorax. So this is a table showing the different insects belonging to different order and the host plants and the different stages in their life cycle. So Helicoverpa armigera, Papiliodemoleus belonging to order Lepidoptera, Pyrella purpusilla belonging to order Hemiptera, Calosobranchus chinensis, Tribolium castaneum and Cytophilus oryzae belonging to the order Coleoptera. So Helicoverpa armigera, host plants are pulses. In Papiliodemoleus, host plants are citrus plants. In Pyrella, host plants are sugarcane, maize, wheat and bajra, etc. In Calosobranchus chinensis, host plants are seeds of beans, grams and lentils, etc. Tribolium castaneum, it resides in the floor. Cytophilus oryzae resides in the rice. So it is also named as the rice weevil. And if you see the different stages, so generally life cycle is changed from the egg into pupa and from pupa to the adult. But in case of Calosobranchus, they change from egg to grub and then pupa and adult. So this is showing the life cycle of butterfly and the Pyrella and the Cytophilus. This is showing again the diagram of Cytophilus and the Calosobranchus chinensis. You can see the different stages from the egg, then to the pupa and then to the adult. So life cycle of Helicoverpa armigera. So as adult give rise to eggs, then it will change into caterpillar and caterpillar will change into pupa. In between there are second instar, third and fourth instar and 5 and 6 instar. Then pupa will change into the adult, and again the life cycle continues. Life cycle of Papiliodomolius, which is a life cycle of a butterfly. So egg will change into larva from first to 5 instar, then will change into pupa, and pupa will change into adult. So this is a graphic representation of the life cycle of Papiliodomolius. Then this is a graphic representation of life cycle of Pyrella purpusilla, how the adult giving rise to eggs, and then eggs will change into nymph, and nymph undergoing the several stages of nymph instar and then change into the adult. This is the life cycle of Tribolium castaneum. Eggs will change into grub in 5 to 12 days, then grub will change into pupa in 27 to 30 days, and then it will change into adult in 6 days, and mainly the life cycle completes in 6 weeks. Life cycle of Calosobranchus chinensis: eggs, grub, pupa, and adult. Life cycle of Cytophilus oryza: egg, grub, prepupa, pupa, and adult. So these are the different stages in the life cycle of different insects. Then the damage caused by these insect pests. So larvae of Demolius are voracious feeders of tender leaves and defoliate the trees. They eat leaves from the margin inward, leaving the larger veins intact. So younger plants cannot withstand defoliation and die. Both larvae and adults of beetle cause damage to the grains. They bite holes in the grains to enter inside and feed on kernel, damaging several grains in the process. Excretory products of beetle invite fungal and bacterial infections to the crops. So weevils damage the grains in the storage, and moth damage the plants, and many crops are damaged by these pests. Control. So there are generally cultural control or mechanical control, then chemical control and biological control. So in mechanical control, generally hand picking and destruction of the eggs and larvae is carried out. In chemical control, we can use the chemicals as spray. In biological control, we use the bacteria or introduction of parasites in the pest. So for the protection of crops and the grains, we need to control these pests by using the different controlling methods. Thanks.